Have you ever wondered how plants make their food? Not through a drive-through or a quick run to the supermarket, but right there in their leaves, stems, and other green parts. This remarkable process, my friends, is known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is nature's kitchen. It's where the magic of turning light into life happens. Think of sunlight as the oven, water and carbon dioxide as the ingredients, and glucose, or plant food, as the delicious result. But how does this magic happen? Let's dive in. Picture a plant leaf. Inside, there are millions of tiny factories called chloroplasts. These factories contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which gives plants their vibrant green color. But chlorophyll is more than just a pretty pigment. It's the star of the show, the master chef in our kitchen analogy. When sunlight hits the leaf, chlorophyll gets to work. It uses the energy from the sunlight to start a chemical reaction. But like any good recipe, it needs more than just one ingredient. Enter water and carbon dioxide. Plants absorb water from the ground through their roots. They take in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny openings in their leaves called stomata. With sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide in place, chlorophyll fires up the oven. Through a series of complex reactions, these ingredients are transformed into glucose, a type of sugar. This is the food that fuels the plant's growth, but there's an added bonus. During this process, oxygen is produced as a byproduct. This oxygen is released back into the air, providing the very breath of life for us and countless other creatures. So in a way, when you're taking a breath of fresh air, you're enjoying the fruits of photosynthesis. So to sum it up, photosynthesis is the process by which plants transform sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. It's a complex chain of reactions, but at its heart, it's a story of transformation. It's about turning light into life, making food from thin air, and providing oxygen for the world to breathe. It's nature's way of showing us that sometimes the most complex processes can yield the simplest, most essential results. And that, my friends, is the magic of photosynthesis. The next time you see a leaf, remember the incredible processes happening within, turning sunlight into sustenance and making our planet a more breathable, livable place. It's the silent symphony of life, playing out in every green corner of the world. And it all starts with a single beam of light,